The real estate market starting to see cracks in the foundation. Soaring home prices, high mortgage rates, lack of supply, and an overabundance of demand has been pressuring the market across the country. And Americans are now canceling deals at the highest rate since the start of the pandemic, soaring 14.9% in June. That's according to Redfin. I want to bring in an expert on what is happening out there. Here in a Fox Business exclusive, global real estate advisor Jenna Stauffer joins me. Jenna, it's great to see you again.
Wonderful to see you, Cheryl. Thank you so much for having me on the show.
We first met when you were featured in one of our episodes of American Dream Home here on Fox Business Prime, but that market, Key West, that you're in has really changed since we filmed with you. In particular, you were saying that actually the buyers are getting a little more cautious.
Absolutely. So, Cheryl, what's happened for the first half of 2022, we're definitely seeing a cool down. So things have stabilized. So I would say right now, out of 100 buyers, about 60% are ready to go, and 40% they're more hesitant. They're at a standstill. They're concerned about the economy. They're worried about the inflation, and they're definitely more hesitant about how much they can spend each month.
Also, when we were filming with you, it was still kind of that frenzied deal, that it was multiple offers. It was, homes on the market for just a few days. Has that changed?
So it has some. So what's interesting is I have two scenarios I can give you right now. One, I have a home that's over 4 million right now. Now, whenever I do an open house, I have a constant stream of people in the doors. However, it's been on the market now for about 2 months. A lot of the people that are walking in the doors, they're expressing concern to me. They're watching the economy right now. They're worried about the rising interest rates. So they're just not ready to buy just yet. They also are optimistic that the price might drop. So they're kind of waiting to see what happens. Now, I also listed a home recently that was on our lower price range spectrum for Key West. It was around 500,000. And what happened is within 24 hours, I still had multiple showings. I had 3 contracts, and these were all buyers that were getting financing. And for them, they're just so sick and tired of paying high rent, so they wanted to just jump ahead and buy something right now.
That's interesting that you say that. The other, I think, interesting story about the market that you're in, Key West, and I think this applies to a lot of the markets we feature on the show, is that these are second and third homes for a lot of these buyers, and a lot of them are walking in with cash. Is that still the same scenario since you are in more of a vacation area part of the country?
Yeah. Yeah, we are seeing a lot of cash buyers, and we always have seen a lot of cash buyers in the Keys because, as you said, this is a place where people are buying their second, third, fourth home. They're buying a home, and they're only coming down here for a couple months out of the year. So I think, too, as the interest rates continue to rise, we're just going to see more and more cash buyers.
What would you say to someone watching right now that is looking to possibly buy? What advice would you give them?
Well, right now, it might be good advice right now to say maybe wait a little bit and see what happens. Maybe wait for prices to cool down a little bit. Our prices in Key West are still high. Our average sales price in Key West is over 1 million. Last year at this time, it was in the 900s. So if you're looking for the Key West market, there's a chance that prices could cool off some, so it might be wise to wait a little bit.
Jenna, well, we can't wait to catch up with you again later this year for season 3 of American Dream Home. Little teaser there that we're going to see you again with us. And also, I got to say, please give my best to Orlando and Shirley. I hope that they're enjoying their new home.
They love their new home, and they love living in the Florida Keys. They're really getting into the lifestyle here.
It's really that whole area that you're in. When I was there, I was amazed how it's really changed. Jenna Stauffer. Jenna, it's great to see you again. Thank you.
Great seeing you. Thank you.
All right. And don't miss the Real Estate Block on FBN Prime. That is tonight. Mansion Global with Casey McDonald gets it started at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, followed by American Dream Home. And that starts at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Tonight, only on Fox Business.